raw milk. Raw milk is an instant and fastest way to lighten your facial skin or any other parts of your body naturally. It is one of the most nutrient-rich foods in the world and is packed with proteins, enzymes, vitamins, minerals and lactic acid that works effectively for lightening the skin. Raw milk contains a high amount of saturated fats that relieves skin dryness, and lactic acid in milk results in a lighter complexion. This ingredient works perfectly for whitening and softening skin. Milk is one of my favorite ingredient, and for more than 2 years, I have been using raw milk on my skin to treat various skin problems, to control melanin production, and to achieve a lighter and flawless complexion. Pure raw milk. Take a cotton pad, soak it in raw cold milk and wipe your face thoroughly. Repeat this daily for about 2 times in a day for a fairer complexion. To lighten hands, legs and underarms, dip a soft makeup brush in milk and apply. Let it sit for 5 minutes before you rinse with cool water. Homemade milk honey face wash. Commercial face wash can irritate dry and sensitive skin. Try this all-natural, no foaming gentle face wash. Wet your face with lukewarm water. Place a teaspoon of organic honey and a teaspoon of raw milk on your palms. Rub your hands together and massage into your skin in a gentle circular motion for 2 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Your skin looks deliciously soft and glowing. Use this regularly to lighten skin complexion. Honey and milk are natural moisturizers for dry skin. Milk and cucumber. An effective way to lighten the complexion of your face and body is to apply a paste of cucumber juice and milk. Blend 3 peeled cucumber slices with a tablespoon of thick milk and use it on the affected area to remove tan, rough and dark skin. It leaves the skin feeling refreshed, hydrated and brighter. If you'd have been suffering from dark patches in pigmentation, then this is the perfect remedy for your skin. Perfect smoothing foundation. For a velvety smooth makeup finish and a naturally flawless complexion, mix a few drops of cold milk to your foundation and blend it into your skin. It imparts luminous shine and brightness to your skin, minimize fine lines and wrinkles naturally. Using regularly softens and smooths skin surface and lightens skin. Whitening milk sugar mask. If you are a busy person and you don't have much time to spare, try this quick, powerful 5-minute milk sugar whitening mask. Mix a teaspoon of sugar and aloe vera gel to 3 tablespoons of raw milk. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely in milk. Apply 2 layers of this pack and then rinse your face with cool water after 5 minutes. Sugar cleans all kinds of skin impurities from the pores, aloe vera moisturizes, and milk lighten the skin color. Milk turmeric golden facial peel-off mask. Get a gorgeously fairer, firm and smooth complexion in 15 minutes with milk turmeric peel-off face mask. Dissolve a tablespoon of gelatin powder in 2 tablespoons of warmed milk. Add a pinch of turmeric and combine well. Wipe your skin with rose water and apply 3 layers of this mixture. Once it dries completely, peel the mask in an upward direction. It naturally lightens skin complexion and bestows a golden glow. Note: egg white can be used as a substitute for gelatin. Whitening body pack. To lighten body complexion naturally, try this ancient skin beauty secret. Make a fresh paste of besan powder, raw milk and lemon juice. Rinse with warm water and then apply a thick paste using a brush. Do this 5 minutes daily before taking bath to lighten dark skin cells and to boost fairness. It also prevents sun damage and keeps the skin soft and healthy. Face and body fairness mud pack. Getting bright, smooth and glowing skin is now easy. Simply make a paste of raw milk, mix with a teaspoon of sandalwood powder and a spoonful of mud. Apply a layer of this paste on any part of your body to lighten skin naturally. Let it sit for 10 minutes before you wash it off. Rich in minerals and nutrients, this pack removes deep-seated impurities from the skin and leaves the skin with a healthy white glow. Rejuvenating milk ice cubes. Instantly revitalize and refresh dark, rough skin with milk ice cubes. Pour raw milk into ice cube trays and freeze. Daily massage ice cube in the morning to improve the skin tone and for a smooth, soft texture. Milk Moisturizing Fairness Body Lotion. If you really want to get rid of dryness and boost radiance to your skin, then try this simple beauty tip. Mix a tablespoon of Vaseline moisturizing lotion to a tablespoon of raw milk and few drops of rose water, and use it to reveal glowing and fairer skin. Massage regularly at night before going to bed. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.